Today, we're diving into a super cool way to earn some extra cash through micro workers. If you're new to this concept, don't worry. We're going to break it down step by step so you can start earning money in no time. Let's get into it. Step 1. Sign up for micro workers. Head over to microworkers.com and create an account. It's quick and easy. Just fill in your details and confirm your email address. Step 2. Complete your profile. Once you're logged in, make sure to fill out your profile with accurate information. This helps you get matched with the right tasks and increases your chances of getting hired. Step 3. Browse available jobs. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of tasks that need completing. These can range from simple data entry to providing feedback on websites. Look through the options and pick tasks that match your skills and interests. Step 4. Read task instructions carefully. Each task comes with detailed instructions. Make sure to read them thoroughly to ensure you understand what's required. Following the instructions accurately is key to getting paid. Step 5. Complete and submit your task. Once you've finished, submit your work through the platform. Your submission will be reviewed, and if everything's correct, you'll earn your payment. Step 6. Track your earnings. You can check your earnings on your dashboard. MicroWorkers pays you through various methods, so make sure to set up your preferred payment option in your account settings. And that's it. Earning money through MicroWorkers is that simple. Start with small tasks, build up your profile, and soon you'll be making a steady stream of extra cash. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy microworking.